Wait, before you watch this video, make sure you watch part 1. With that being said, welcome to part 2 where we reassemble my fully restored bug eye. What's a 10 mil?
No, we need something different.
We fed it from there all the way down. It was kind of difficult, but we did it, and I made it work. Door installation time. I don't know what I'm doing. Yeah, feeding through the hole.
All right.
Okay, higher. Okay, you're good. I did it!
Kind of place it until it goes in.
Oh, that's easy.
There you go.
Wow.
Oh, rockabye sparkle. 12 mil?
12 mil, yes. David Liner's up first.
Oh yes. Oh yes.
Perfect fit.
Oh yes. My pinky. A little bit higher. Kind of tight to this fender.
This is our first time seeing him fully put together in the sun, and it looks crazy. Now we're on our way to get the windows tinted, and then in a few days do the final touches with Marcello.
What's going on, guys? It's your boy Marcello Nally. We are here today with Subi Travels and David we are working on Benny the final touches. So as you can see, I'm wiping down some trim for the window trims. We're putting in the window moldings, any door trims on the bottom, and we're doing the door cards as well. The final touches to this beautiful build. It's the first time I'm still looking at the car, and I'm impressed. I'm actually scared for myself, honestly. There's no way I can compete against this. I spent all this money and time in my own car for nothing. So no, but it's super, super beautiful. It's sweet. I'm happy for them, and I can't wait to see the finished product. I'm also very happy to be a part of the process as well. So if you guys ever need any sort of work, hit me up, and we will see you this year at the car shows. Stay tuned. And Subi Showdown.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Way better. Lube it up.
Say it again.
If you guys ever need your trim stroke, that's what I do professionally. I've never worked on a car before. This is all I know what to do, and look at that. It's brand new.
Brand new.
Gorgeous.
Look at that. Look
10
at that
out
shine.
of 10.
No one can compete against that.
That's right.
It's almost there. Ready? Showdown. Oh, I gotta get a wetter piece.
Gorgeous.
That's it. Don't miss out. Yo, look at my advertising.
Subi Showdown, baby.
Volume 4. Are you going, David? Are you going to Subi
Are you
Showdown?
going?
We are.
Do you support Subi Showdown?
I support Subi Showdown.
Ben.